In the world of woodworking, precision is everything. But what about the business behind the craft? You've mastered your trade, but are outdated systems holding you back? Introducing INNERGY ERP, made for woodworkers by woodworkers, the all-in-one platform that streamlines estimating, project management, and manufacturing for woodworking businesses. Imagine a world where your entire operation flows as smoothly as your finest craft. With INNERGY, you'll transform chaotic estimating into precise, profitable bids, turn reactive project management into proactive scheduling success, and streamline manufacturing and installation for flawless execution. But INNERGY is more than just software. It's a revolution in how you run your business. Real-time collaboration, cloud-based efficiency, and insights that drive profitability. And because success requires more than just great software, you'll get access to INNERGY's comprehensive training courses and onboarding. Stay ahead of industry trends with continuing education designed specifically for woodworking professionals. Join the woodworking leaders shaping the future with INNERGY ERP. Visit innergy.com to book a demo today.